this video, I'm going to be playing Pixel Land in Scratch. Welcome to Dabmc. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. So let's get started. Welcome to Pixel Land, okay? Avoid spikes, okay? Yay, let's go. Okay, skip. Wall jump. Dude, how do you do this hard? Yeah, it's still hard actually. Oh wait, no, it's not hard. Spike parkour? What do you mean? I'm not that pro. I'm not a pro at this, dude. This is impossible. Okay. It is actually impossible. I can't believe it. I might as well just do this. Oh wait, that not timed. Huh? Oh my god. Huh? 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 Oh my god. Why is this so hard? I don't like spark pull. You know what? Skip. A long jump? What? Huh? Oh my god. Oh my god, why is it so hard? Wait, can I use this? Huh? Yeah, let's go. Zigzag, what is this? Oh, what? Oh, you can actually stick on here. Interesting. Huh? 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 Wait, I don't even need to do this. I can just be like, yeet. Wait. There you go. Huh? Yeah. Oh, this is actually hard. Okay, I click skip button. How do you do this? Why is it so hard? What? This is too hard. Oh, wait. It's like you barely make this. Huh? Okay, I click skip. Wow, that was easy. Let's play another game I can find here. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Leave. I don't care. What else is there? Let's play Scraplands. Okay, Scraplands. Oh. Nope. Nope. Set volume to 0. There we go. Now we're ready. Oh wow, really? No sound. Oh, whatever. Huh? Okay, so what is this? What do you do here? What? How do you do this? This is hard. What am I supposed to do? Am I just supposed to run around? And am I supposed to just avoid these guys? I think all I have to do is just avoid these guys. Yeah. All I have to do is just avoid them. Huh? Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god, I died again. At least I got a high score of 25. Dude, I have to beat 176. Okay, this is impossible. Lag free. Yes, I want it to be lag free. No music. There we go. That's better. So you just cheat? Okay. Too hard. Too hard. It's a great game though, not gonna lie. I don't know how you even do that. It looks really hard. Leave, I don't care. What else is there? Let's see. Ninja Army. Okay, not interested in that. Edge of Earth. Okay, let's see Edge of the Earth. I wonder what it is. First of all, you click. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Now this should work. Full screen. And Rails Workshop. Okay. Can I go up here? Yes, you can. It's a platformer. Oh wait, what are you supposed to call out? Wait, I just started in spikes. Huh? Huh? Okay, I can't. How do you make it up there? What are you supposed to do? I don't even know how to make this. You can almost make it. Almost cheat. Huh? Oh my god. Hard! Why is it so hard? Oh wait, no, it's not. Now I know how to make it. Huh? Yeah, let's go. Okay, no. At least I know how to make it up here now. Oh, wait. Didn't make it. Now I made it. Yeet. Yeet. Okay, I'm not collecting these anymore. Why is it so hard? I hate this. I actually hate this. Wait, what? Oh my god. Hurry up. Yes, there we go. Okay. What is that? Oh, yeah, I know tactic. I don't need to do this anymore, actually. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. Wait, no, I don't. I don't need to. I can just... Oh, why is this so hard? This is actually really hard. Maybe I do need to collect all of these things. Otherwise it won't activate. I think that's the problem. Yes, there we go. That was the problem. Yes, there we go. So I do. Oh my god, I just missed. Wait, I got one. Okay. Okay, I didn't get any. Then right here. Yes, there we go. Now we need to go. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.